Welcome to my channel. My name's Jane and I'm here to learn how to play the piano, but also to be able to share this journey with you, so that if you have any other goals that you want to achieve for 2021, because today's the 1st of January, then hopefully we'll go in this together and keep each other accountable and also motivate each other as well. So if I can help just one person in this world to achieve their goal, then I'm happy. Because the statistic says only 8% of people achieve their New Year's resolutions. So I want us to be one of those 8%. So each week I'm going to post up my progress. And if there's any progress or not, it's going to be posted up. And we'll see, we'll find out. I'll also post daily updates on my Instagram as well, so if you want to know the back end, behind the scenes, check out my Instagram. But here's day one of learning how to play the piano. I've got to add as well that how I'm feeling, day one, so motivated, loving it. I'm loving just learning something new. And we all know that the start of any resolution is the highest point, and then it's downhill from there. So hopefully we don't go too far down, but we'll see how we go. Right, let's do this. My goal is to learn how to play one song that's called All of Me by Oh Wonder. And I've given that 12 months. Easiest part, because all the keys are close together, so you don't have to like stretch it all the way. Just to let you know, absolute complete beginner, but no knowledge at all. Have never played an instrument, have never learnt a chord, no nothing, never read a note, so. Learning my right hand first, and then I'll move on to the left, because the left is harder. I'm right-handed, and just trying to perfect the keys on the right hand at the moment. Need to work on the rhythm and the pacing, but that'll come later on, yeah? you score me? What would you score me? For my first, say second go. I would say it went well. More well than I thought. I pressed most of the keys for the right hand only, but yeah, we'll see how the left hand goes. And you know, of course, pacing, rhythm, the way I'm placing my fingers, all that, it's all wrong, but that's what it's expected for the first go. So I'd say I did pretty well, like a 7 out of 10. So we'll see how we go. My next aim would be to start using my left hand, or maybe to start getting comfortable with the rhythm, because I'm finding it hard to know how long to press each button for. Like, I'm just not press at the moment, but I need to know, you know, some of them are quick, some of them are slow, the transition between each key as well. I think that once I perfect that, then I'll go on with my left. But who knows, man? Like, go with the flow, right? Alright, thanks for watching this freaking rendition of that song. I've destroyed it now. So wait until you see how I go next week. Thanks for watching.